In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and refine a document with Genspark AI Docs. We'll move from a blank page to a polished result, keeping things clear and efficient so you can repeat this process anytime you need high quality content fast. First, open Genspark and sign in to your account. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection and using a modern browser, so the editor and AI features run smoothly. Once you're in, head to the AI Docs feature from your workspace or dashboard. You'll typically find it in the main navigation or a prominent tile. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar to locate AI Docs. Next, start a new document. If a template is available that suits your project, feel free to choose it. Templates are great for consistent structure, especially for things like reports, proposals, or guides, and they can save you time by setting the right layout from the start. If you prefer a custom flow, begin with a blank document. Now enter a clear, detailed prompt describing the document you want to create. The more specific you are, the better the first draft will be. Mention the purpose, the intended audience, the tone you want, professional, friendly, or technical, the approximate length, and any required sections or bullet points you need covered. It helps to include critical keywords, must include facts, and formatting preferences like headings or a short summary at the top. Let Genspark generate the document draft. Give it a moment to compile everything and avoid clicking away until the draft appears. When it's ready, review and edit the content, layout, or formatting. This is your chance to verify accuracy, fill in any missing context, and fine-tune the voice. Tighten paragraphs, adjust headings for a logical flow, and ensure transitions make sense. If the draft cites data or claims, confirm the sources. For readability, use short paragraphs, clear subheads, and consistent styles. If the document needs tables, lists, or emphasis, apply those formatting tools now. Don't hesitate to ask the AI to rephrase sections or expand on a point if something feels thin. When you're satisfied, save your work so your latest changes are captured. From there, export the document in the format you need, such as PDF or a word processor file, and give it a clear, versioned file name for easy tracking. If you plan to continue refining, keep the document open and iterate until it matches your final standards. That's it. Open, navigate to AI Docs, start a document or template, prompt clearly, let the AI draft, refine thoughtfully, and then save or export your polished document.